Alam mo, lubok-lubok yung daan.
You tell me, bakit nga ba?
Ikaw may mamakyo.
Bakit nga ba?
I noticed this truck has been hurting lanes without checking his surroundings like a dumbass. I decided to speed ahead. Notice how he doesn't use the freaking side mirror or signal lights, like you're supposed to pay for it, like subscription.
Kamusta? All good.
Super good. Super good naman. Ayan na, pick up! Sapakin natin. Sorry, ano?
Mamakyo ka.
Bakit nga ba?
Ha?
Bakit nga ba?
Bakit nga ba?
Bakit nga ba?
Alam mo, lubok-lubok yung daan.
You tell me, bakit nga ba?
Tell me.
No, you tell me. You tell me.
Huwag kang mamakyo.
Bakit nga ba? You tell me.
Ginagit-git nyo kasi
May side mirror pa, ako wala. Hindi ka gumagamit side mirror mo? Dumbass.
Huwag ka doon na.
Ikaw ang wag ganon. You use your side mirror. Bitches. Nagmotastik ko nila. Kung ganyan ka pa, sira ulo.
Wala.
Pwede mo nga yung fucking plate number yan.
Sorry po.
Mayos ka. Paragin ko yung pangit mong pick up. Bitches. Tang ina mo, bababaan mo pa ako, gago.
Hindi niya alam ba?
Oo. Kapag gaganunin, tarantado ang putang ina.
A few moments later.
Earlier, di po namin naabutan si Kuya Jimmy Pascual sa bahay niya at sa work niya to personally apologize. So, I would like to take this opportunity to say sorry to Kuya Jimmy for what I've caused. And, of course, as well as to those people who got dragged into the issue. Sorry din po sa citizen of Zambales, the riding community, especially the off-road community. This issue is all on me. I'm still learning. This one especially the hard way. I promise to be more patient next time, especially on the road. And I'll listen to my ates and kuyas more. Na-feel ko na po yung mundong maraming galit and ayoko na pong maulit po yun. Again, sorry po at pasensya po ulit.